This is a bidirectional RF amplifier for Meshtastic 2.4 GHz worldwide international band. I have tested it with Meshtastic LilyGo 2.4 GHz. This is the topic for another video. For now, let's open the box. In the box I can see a power supply, amplifier itself with SMA connectors on both ends, and a Wi-Fi antenna. And there is a manual as well. This power adapter works from 100 volts to 240 volts and its output power is 12 volt 1.5 ampere maximum. This is the amplifier. It looks like it is made of plastic, but it is quite heavy when you hold it in your hand. This is the red LED. When this LED is on, it means it is in the receiver mode. A bidirectional amplifier works on the both sides, that is on the transmit side as well as on the receive side. So it has two types of amplifier within it. One is the power amplifier for the TX and other is an LNA for the RX. So red light shows the activity of RX. Its RX gain is between 9 and 11 dB. This is a green color LED. Right now it's not green because it is not working right now. But when it detects that the Meshtastic device is in TX mode and is transmitting, then the amplifier switches into the transmit mode and this LED turns green. Its transmit gain is between 12 and 14 dB. Input of this amplifier is between 3 dBm and 20 dBm. You should not give it more than 20 dBm. On the bottom side of the amplifier, there is a label clearly showing that which SMA connector goes to antenna and which one goes to the Meshtastic device. This amplifier is generic. It can be used with Meshtastic as well as with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Its operating range is between 2400 and 2500 MHz. This is a nice 2.4 GHz antenna. I have tried this amplifier and I am happy and satisfied with it. It works within the specification. See you again in another video.